Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Kanun Menteri Jong Sorkar Jylla haka khat ndriu tre gruper aja pendriu kala shime karai ban Pynjlan sa ndriu Bnai ka Samoi Treikam jong ka Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council ka ban Treikam nadu ka khat pratre uyayong arajar pendriu hadu ka khat pratre urisau arajar pendriu ya kanila pentep dau sembut Menteri rang ba ka Jylla ba khmi ya ka tanat District Council Affairs uba Preston Tensong haka jinga keren bakila pathai kubor uba Tensong lo pentep ru ba u Abinush marat ula resign kum u Chief Executive Member ka Council mentarasngi bat hadian kani lajid bujli ya udhar monot CH sangma ban shimti kum CM bathamai jang ka Council.
We were having a cabinet meeting with only one agenda for the cabinet to decide, and that agenda is relating to the extension of term of Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council. After deliberation, after discussion, all the details, then the cabinet has decided to extend the terms of the present house of the Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council for a period of 6 months with effect from 18 April 2026 up to 18 October 2026. This is the decision taken by the cabinet today. If you have any question, please. See, let me just inform to all of you that again today in the morning, the CM of the District Council, Sri Albinos Armara, has resigned from the post of CM, and I'm also happy to inform to all of you that again in the afternoon of today, again the House has elected new CM by the name of Shri Dhormonat CH Sangma. So the new EC is now in place again, and with the decision taken by the cabinet today to extend the term of the house for another 6 months. Now we leave it to the wisdom of the new executive committee to take a call on the issue of scheduled tribe or on the issue of contesting election both by tribal and non-tribal as far as Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council is concerned. It should be after 18 April because see, the extension will be effective from 18 April 2026 up to again 18 of October 2026. We are open to this. From the government side, we are open. Because see, the new EC, the new executive committee and the new CM has to take the responsibility. Side by side, even the government will also take the responsibility of calling, inviting for discussion across the table in the level of the government under the chairmanship of the Honorable Chief Minister and as well as in the level of the CEM of the Ghadc Hills Autonomous District Council, because we would like to ultimately carry along everybody and to meet the aspirations of people. I think this is the common phenomena. You can't just say like that. Since about 21 MDCs, I think you knew it well, that day before yesterday, they paraded themselves and met the Honorable Governor. All the 21 of them, as per the rules. Since they are there 20 and above, so the Governor ultimately, in his wisdom, take a call or take a decision. And accordingly, that day, he decided that the issue of CEM or the issue of leadership needs to be proved inside the house. That's why special session was called. Because you need to understand one thing. CEM and chairman of this council is the elected post. It's a constitutional post. If you want to remove, it should be inside the house. Not outside the house. It should be inside the house. Prove the majority. But let me just tell you one thing. Today, before the session starts, the former CM of this council, Shri Albinos Armara, he submitted his resignation well before he faced the no confidence inside the house. I'm not talking about
that resulted in the change of leadership.
No, you see, number one, let me tell you one thing. If the CM does not consult his own colleague in the executive committee, because see, I think you must have seen that notification. That notification where he ultimately notified in his level about the ST certificate. I'm not saying that it is wrong. In fact, maybe it is right, but it is not as per the prescribed norms, as per the rules. Why should he alone sign the notification? Because this has to be brought to the house. But that itself, he did not do it. So therefore, 21 members of the MDC, ultimately they said, he is not fit to continue as the CM of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Therefore, he has to ultimately resign from the post. Why? Example, it's because of that. A person as a CM who does not understand the participation or the discussion, be it in his own executive committee or be it inside the house. So therefore, this is his failure, and ultimately all the MDCs, they went against him. Well, even if the ticket is, I think that is not a new thing. It is not a new thing. For ticket, denial of ticket or allotting ticket, I think this is common issue to every political party. So just because the party does not give you a ticket, can you ultimately deviate yourself from the prescribed norms or the prescribed regulation? You can't do that.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style, bro. Style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ।
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ।
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है। Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.